Local news for Wednesday the 16th of January. Work will continue on the Wairarapa Economic Development Strategy following the Christmas holiday period. Meetings to discuss the region's priorities will commence again this week, with Chair Dame Margaret Paisley eager to continue the swift progress made by the Steering Committee, a governance group laid in 2018, and to look at the various sections of the strategy and identify priorities which would make a case for government funding. All the latest news can be found via the strategy's official website, growwairarapa.nz. Greater Wellington Regional Council is urging Maitland customers to check the website and commuter app and make alternative travel arrangements after an unexpected strike action and Operator New Zealand Bus was called by the Tramways Union yesterday. The strike action is planned for today on some Wellington bus routes between 8am and 4pm. And the Carterton Rugby Club are calling for interest from females keen on playing rugby in 2019. The club are hosting a barbecue along with a meet and greet on Thursday the 31st of January. Drills and skills will also take place. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.